Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, guys, this is a continuation on part 1, 2, and 3 on Stereo H1 SETI satellite and the brown red dwarf star and the gas giant planet that seems to be orbiting it, being caught in the images and the footage. At any rate, we found some more corroborating evidence, and this is from Iceland. It's a wonderful presentation. Take a look at it. It's corroborating evidence, and this is important. So we've got to kind of move from maybe perhaps the SETI satellite and then see on the ground whether we can find anything that basically corroborates what's been seen by SETI.
What I'm about to show you guys is very, very interesting. As always, you decide, but this one's just too good to pass up. This was sent to me by my friend Buddy Moore. It's a video that was posted yesterday by BMan73, and it's from Iceland, and it's the moon in the sky. This would be the southeastern sky, or east. And then what puzzled him was this arc over here, this big crescent. This up here, he says, a smudge on the camera dome or lens, whatever. I think this is a webcam, but that right there really puzzled him. I took a still shot of it, and you can see it right there too. So this would be in the eastern sky, viewing from Iceland. So I'm looking at that, I'm like, okay, cool. I'm trying to look at it from all possible perspectives of what it could be, and honestly, I hadn't come up with anything, but I got to looking at something just a few minutes ago, and I was like, yo, wait a minute, because this is in the same position as this. Did you guys see this on stereo ahead? HI1? This is from the 16th, 17th, 16th, 17th, almost into the 18th. What you saw here was on the 19th. Let me get something clarified for you so we're kind of on the same page here. That instrument is stereo A. Stereo ahead officially. Stereo ahead, I'm going to show you where it's at with respect to the Earth and the Sun. Here's our planet. We are over here. Stereo A and B are respectively behind the Sun. Stereo A is right over here. The bright light you see in the picture is Venus. Okay, we're not seeing Mercury yet. It'll be in the picture soon, but not right now. What we're seeing right now is Venus. You cannot see Earth. What we saw, or what we were seeing in this picture, this, from Earth's perspective, would be back in here. Venus is here, stereo A is here, right? So let's go back. I'm just kind of thinking outside the box here. Here's Venus, stereo A is back here, Earth is over here. Here's your crazy looking object. And if you stop it, you can see what appears to be a crescent at one point. Right there. See the crescent shape? Step it. There is a crescent shape to that, or at least an intensified crescent. It looks like a hologram almost. But check this out. I'm going to start it up again. I'm going to play it a little faster. It's rolling forward. It's not spinning on an axis. It's rolling forward. Look at this. Yo, that is weird. You just got to laugh. I mean, these times are something else. But you know what? I've been watching this instrument for many, many years, and I can't explain this. I know there's going to be an explanation for it, but I found it very interesting that this was taken up in Iceland just hours within this thing appearing on the stereo spacecraft instrument from NASA. And you got Venus here, you got the Earth back here. The this thing here that we're seeing was visible from Earth over in the eastern sky, back over in here somewhere. I don't know. I'm just trying to put some pieces to this mysterious puzzle together, but I found that very interesting. This here is extremely interesting, and it's rotating in a forward motion. Look at that. Very bizarre. I don't know, guys. You figure it out. I'm just bringing it to you. I'm just the messenger. This is my space map. Earth's here, Venus is here. This is actually today. Stereo spacecrafts are here and here. So yeah, what you're seeing is Venus. Earth is back here. You can't see it because it would be impaired by the sunlight. So you are definitely seeing Venus. Whatever that thing was, it decloaked or whatever, was right in here. Could have been back here. If it were something, it would be in line with that. Would be in the general proximity. So the times roll on, and during these uncertain times, I encourage you to be brave, be strong, be wise, and be ready.
Okay, guys, Jazakallah khairan wa ahsanul jaza for your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.